Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix user profile service failed, the sign-in error on Windows 11 or 10. Now the first thing I want you to do is just sign into any account you can, or you can create a new account, and then what I want you to do once you're in, I want you to go ahead and press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open up the run dialog. And here just type in services.msc, click on OK, and then what I want you to do is scroll all the way down here until you see users. Okay, so it's right under you, and what I want you to do under user profile service, I want you to make sure it is running. Okay, right click on it, click on properties, and make sure the startup type is set to automatic. Apply, okay, make sure you hit start, make sure it's running. And then what you can do, if this still does not work, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and type here on search, and then I want you to go ahead and search up recovery. So I'll click here on recovery and then open system restore, right? And then go ahead and I want you to choose the last restore point. Click here on next, choose your last restore point, go ahead and click next, and basically we're resetting to the time, right? Restoring to the time where this issue was not there, and hit finish. It would restart your computer. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.